So right now we'll execute the project. So before switching on this switch, we need to enable the hotspot. This is very important step. Go to hotspot settings of your phone, and in the personal hotspot settings, change the hotspot name to project 4794 without any space, without any capital letter, and the password should be 129 after enabling the hotspots. Right, so enable the hotspot and data, internet also. So by using your data and your hotspot, the system will connect into the Blink app. So now we can see there is a red mark on this section. It's showing as the device is offline now. So once we switch on the kit, the device will come to online and we will get the sensors data along with controlling also. Right. So now the two tanks are filled, means the lower tanker is filled with water and upper tanker is empty. So then there is no alerts into our Blink application, and we can see the device is online now. So we can control it by just pressing the switch, and the motor is running, and with the help of this reciprocating mechanism, the pneumatic pump will take the water. There are two NRVs, that is non-return valves. With the help of that, we are controlling the water from lower tanker to upper tanker. So once the water level is decreasing in the lower tanker or increasing in the upper tanker, we will get the alerts into our Blink application. Right, I'm switching off that, and I will provide you the manual inputs to the upper tanker. Right, so I'm just providing the water's data. Place it directly in some water. Right. So after 2 to 3 seconds, we'll get alert high upper tanker, UT upper tanker high level. So once it is normal now, so the light is off. At the same time for lower tanker also. So we can see there is a one LED indication on our sensors. So right. So alert lower tanker level, and now it is normal condition. Okay. So coming to this sensors, there is an indication of LEDs. So we can see now it is in the water. That's why one more light indication over here. And once we remove that, we can see the light is off and light is on. Same for this upper tanker also. So you can see, right, now it is off. Right.